by Coach Alvin Velasco. So take it away, Coach. Good morning po.
Yes, hello, good morning. Kumusta po kayo? I hope you're feeling great today. So, maganda yung ating special topic today. Let me just show my slide. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa ating session today? So, I hope so, no? So, ang ating topic for today is about magnesium, no? Ah, this is a series ng nutrition wise. So, we have to understand all those nutrients. Ano ba yung mga function yan? And eto ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin is about magnesium. How important is magnesium to our body? Okay? And before diving sa ating topic, syempre magpapakilala din ako sa inyo. Maybe some of you here are very new sa ating virtual nutrition club. So, my name is Alvin Velasco and today uh, pang ano na namin, no, itong year na to is pang 12 years na namin sa Herbalife, no? And we started as a customer kasi as you can see, weight loss naman ang program natin, no? And during the first month of the program, it's amazing kasi I lost about 25 pounds and 7 inches in my waistline. So I used to be a salesman before. Alam naman natin pagka by the way, sa Binondo ako naka-assign and ang daming tao doon. And as a salesman, alam natin na uh, yung pressure niya nandyan. Uh, Minsan gabi ka nang umuwi sa bahay and most of your food that you take, yung most of your meals together with your colleagues, dyan lang din sa field. So alam naman natin kung ano yung mga nandyan. Those are fast food. Uh, Very unhealthy yung lifestyle and so I balloon into 192 pounds and a lot of discomfort yung naranasan ko uh, the whole body merong aches and pains yan, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. So nakaka-relate siguro kayo pagka medyo malaki tayo. And so yung lifestyle na yon minsan naapektuhan na rin ang aking pamilya. Pag uwi ko pagod, I cannot appreciate yung salubong ng mga anak ko. By the way, I have 9 kids. And these kids also has their own challenges when it comes to physical and health meron din silang mga problema. And so when we take this product as a family, nagkaroon talaga ng transformation the whole family itself. My wife lost around 40 pounds na and mas maganda kung wala kang 'di ba, wala kang medicine or anything. I'm 57 ngayon and I'm enjoying the fullness of being physically healthy. Okay? And so, syempre, when you are in Herbalife, you have to share these things, di ba? Kaya nga meron tayong BNC. And I'm glad na meron tayo nito every day. It's been around for how many years now. And very grateful po sa mga tao na nandito helping just to share to you every day kung ano yung mga goodness ng nutrition. Okay? And so, a lot of trainings pinuntahan namin so that we became a wellness coach today. So yan po yung naging journey namin sa Herbalife. So my favorite products, alam niyo itong mga product na paborito ko, very significant ito sa ating uh, sa araw-araw I love the aloe and tea, the shake of course, yung ating healthy breakfast. But most of all itong Herbalife line kasi itong omega 3s came out a lot of studies na maganda sa katawan natin. Probiotic also because 70% yata ng population natin talagang may diferensya sa digestive system. Okay? And vitamins and minerals to go over yung mga kakulangan natin sa everyday nutrition. So yung tatlong yan, hindi ako pwedeng mawalan. Of course, we take also Nightworks and a lot of product pa ng Herbalife. So, going back po sa ating topic, no? Why magnesium? Sabi nga dito, kung meron tayong nutrient that we should consider supplementing, ito po yung magnesium. But then magnesium, hindi siya masyado kilala, no? But it is one of the most important elements in our body. Up to 60% po ng ating body stored, ah, unlike calcium, 'di ba? Ang calcium nasa buto. Pero itong magnesium kailangan nandun siya sa every cells ng body natin. So it comprises 60% po, no? So naka-stored po sa ating skeletal, sa ating buto, but then in every cells of the body dapat may kailangan magnesium. So tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-importante yung magnesium. Pag na-jeopardize yung cells mo, so lahat ng function mo hindi maganda, no? So what else? Why magnesium? Imagine for a moment that your body is like a jigsaw puzzle, no? And each piece, yung bawat piraso niyan, and each piece represent a different nutrients. And together they create a complete picture of your health. So imagine niyo, no? Now, think of magnesium as one of those crucial pieces. Yeah? Lahat kasi ng nutrients binds with magnesium in order for them to create function and impact doon sa metabolism ng body and the production ng hormones, enzyme, and neurotransmitter. So ang dami niyang ganap sa body natin, no? So ganun kahalaga yung magnesium. So magnesium is involved in 300 biochemical reaction. So napakadami nun. Just to lower your magnesium, maapektuhan talaga yung performance mo. So, how single puzzle piece can affect the entire image is dependent to this nutrients, magnesium. Okay? So, the one nutrient that we can do without. So, as we delve deeper, no, into this importance of magnesium, klaro naman that this mineral is not just beneficial, is it essential, no? In fact, magnesium is often referred to as sabi nila, master mineral daw yung magnesium because of the extensive role in maintaining our overall health. So I hope na makikilala nyo na yung magnesium kasi most of the time ang kilala lang natin is calcium, vitamins, di ba? So consider magnesium supplementing kasi very crucial po talaga ang magnesium sa body natin, no? It involves a lot of yung gamit sa ating body. So, like for example, the enzyme, how do we create the enzyme? Enzyme is very important po, no? Let me give you an example. Let's say when you eat food, we have this macro. We have these carbohydrates, yung three macros natin, carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Now, these macros cannot be synthesized without magnesium. Di ba? Pagkain natin, kailangan madurog yan siya. And one factor is your body has to create enzyme to break the carbohydrates in order to be maging glucose siya para maging energy siya and then it goes to your bloodstream. So ganun po katindi nung trabaho ng ating magnesium. Sa protein naman, we have an enzyme, proteases ang tawag, no? Proteases. And this enzyme convert protein into amino acids, the building blocks of the body. So it cannot perform such tasks without this nutrient magnesium. And of course, lastly, itong fats natin, itong essential fats, it cannot break also. It cannot be break down into fatty acids without enzyme. So, ganun po ang trabaho isa lang ito sa trabaho ng magnesium, ano? And how important it is. Next one is, we all know that calcium plays a very important role po sa ating bone health. Okay, tama naman yun. But you know what? Calcium cannot be absorbed. Let's say you take calcium supplement, hindi po yan na-absorb ng bloodstream mo without vitamin D. Di ba? So kaya nga yung ating calcium, shout out dito sa mga gumagamit ng extra cal natin, ano? Kaya yung calcium natin nakalagay talaga diyan with vitamin D so that our body can absorb those calcium para mapunta sa bloodstream natin. Again, with this process, another nutrient is needed and that nutrient is magnesium. Now, hindi lang po natatapos diyan. From the bloodstream, you need to get this calcium inside the bones. 'Di ba? You have to get this calcium inside the bone. Hindi siya pwedeng nandyan lang sa bloodstream mo. Ah, high blood ka kumbaga. And you need another vitamins for that. It's vitamin K2. So without this vitamin K2, etong calcium na to nandyan lang sa blood mo. So, it raises your blood pressure. Kaya nga, bawal sa mga high blood yung too much calcium eh. Kasi mag-calcified and then yung ating ang ating mga ugat titigas yan because of this calcium. So that active calcium there needs to get inside the bone and we need that vitamin K2. And again, this process needs magnesium in order to do that. Di ba? So, bone health is a lot of things. Hindi lang siya calcium. So, ganyan po yung work ng ating magnesium. And what else? Magnesium requires for DNA replication, transcription into RNA, and translation into protein. So yung mga letters na yan, don't mind that one because DNA, we know that already. Parang yan yung ating blueprint on making a certain yung pagkatao, no? So this statement is true. Magnesium act as a crucial cofactor in all these central processes of molecular biology, no? Yung ating DNA. So additional magnesium plays also a key role in synthesis. Pati paggawa po ng DNA natin. Siya din po yung nutrients that really needed sa this means that magnesium is essential for cell division, 'di ba? Hindi ka mabubuo kung walang magnesium, okay? So this is very important for the mothers also na pag nagpregi sila. Sa growth and important during the periods of rapid growth, yung nagde-develop pa lang yung bata. And of course, sa pregnancy din, no? So, this is what magnesium can do to your body. So, apart from these things, ano pa ang ginagawa ng magnesium? Nakita niyo dyan, no? Apart from musculoskeletal health, it is also involved in making protein, helping muscles and nerve function o nervous system na naman to, controlling our body glucose level. Kaya pagka medyo tumataas yung level ng glucose mo, malamang kulang ka rin sa magnesium, okay? Supporting our blood pressure, tumataas yung blood pressure mo, you need magnesium for that. Regulation and energy production, pati pala yung energy. Hindi mo mapapakinabangan yung kinakain mo to be transported into your body, into all the cells of the body kung wala pong magnesium. In fact, magnesium is so essential to so many biological functions, sabi dito, ano. So, ano ba ang powerhouse ng energy natin? It's the mitochondria. So, diyan pala ginagawa yung tinatawag nating ano no, ATP. Yung ATP is a currency yan ng energy ng katawan natin. So doon pala ginagawa yung energy source na yan. Ibig sabihin from the food we eat like carbohydrates turn into glucose and glucose papasok yan sa cells mo and the cells doon sa mitochondria doon po pinaprocess yung energy na yon. Now again, magnesium plays a very important role doon sa paggawa ng ATP niyan. So can you imagine how powerful this nutrient is, no? And syempre, ano ba yung mga benefits according to this topic? Yan, nakikita niyo naman. It reduces the risk for type 2 diabetes. Sinabi ko kanina, no? Builds stronger bones, lower blood pressures, and all these kinds of benefits nandiyan na sa slides na yan. So, what are the foods na pwede nating makuha yung magnesium na yan? So, we have nuts and seeds. Yung almonds na yan, 1 ounce lang yan. You can get 80 milligrams of that magnesium. No? Ano pa? Yung kasoy, 1 ounce lang yan, mga 72 milligrams. Flax seeds, peanuts, lahat po ng, siguro lahat ng mga nuts and seeds merong magnesium. So, you have to incorporate these things sa inyo, no? Yung legumes like black beans, mga fiber-rich whole grains, meron din yan. But supplement, we need also kasi nga, alam nyo ba ang study ngayon, almost 80% of the world population is deficient po sa mineral magnesium. So, bakit ganon, no? Sa dami-dami ng mga pagkain na merong magnesium, bakit po may diferensya pa rin, deficit pa rin tayo? Alam niyo po, marami pong dahilan yan. But before getting into that one, eto, how much magnesium do we really need? No? Yung mga lalaki po, we need at least 420 milligrams. For women naman, they need mga 370 milligrams. Yan po yung kailangan natin. So, supplementing is wise po kung sinasabi ng studies na 80% of the world population is really deficient, uh, hindi siya nakakakuha ng magnesium po ano sa food. So, bakit ganon, no? Bakit ganon? So, number one reason dyan is yung mga food natin, food supply natin, especially yung ground na pinagtataniman po ng mga pagkain natin. Because of the modern style of growing para makakuha ng malaking kita, na-jeopardize po yung minerals ng ating soil. So, the mineralization of the soil, ito yung profit-driven po ng mga multinational. Kaya ang nagsasuffer po yung mga tao. And then, lack of nutrition education din po. A lot of people doesn't really care kung ano man yung kinakain nila nowadays. Okay? So, malnutrition plays a very important role po kung bakit nagkakasakit yung mga tao. And knowing such nutrition, mga nutrients na to is a big help. Okay? Now, in Herbalife, we don't have to worry about that one, no? This product na-emphasize ko dito, like the shake, if you consume the shake like breakfast and merienda, you can get 120 milligrams of magnesium. Etong extra cal, pag 2 beses, makakuha ka ng 130 milligrams. Of course, our vitamins and minerals, 3 times a day, kung katulad ko, ginagawa mo yan, o minsan double pa, no? You can get as much as 165 milligrams. And this one is very important. Kaya tayo may mineral herbal complex to really get these mineral traces na kailangan natin sa katawan natin to really function yung body natin well. So you don't have to worry kung meron kayo nito sa inyo. And if you're very new here, tanungin niyo po yung mga coaches niyo how to really get this one and enjoy the benefits of this. So, yan po yung total niyan. If you consume that one, walang problema sa magnesium sa katawan nyo. You will be healthy and a lot of energy sa katawan nyo. So, again, we have upcoming event po, yung extravaganza. Alam nyo, this is the one event that I have to recommend for those distributor na nakikinig dito. If you're not yet a supervisor, get up to that level so that you can experience po kung anong klaseng event meron tayo pagdating sa extravaganza. No? It opened my mind-blowing po yung nangyari sa akin, and this event concluded that I will stay in Herbalife for the rest of my life. So you have to attend this event tanungin nyo po kanina, finlast na yung ating ano kung kailan ito, but you have to ask your sponsor and how to get into that level that can qualify for you to join us po sa Hong Kong, no? So, tapos na po yung ating magnesium ano no topic, but let me leave you with this ano no saying. I believe that the greatest gift you can give to your family and to the world is a healthy you. Alam natin, we chase a lot of things in this world habang nabubuhay tayo. We have a lot of plans, we have a lot of dreams, di ba? And then, nagkasakit ka, and suddenly, isa na lang ang problema mo. Hindi mo na problema yung bahay, kotse, lahat na yan. Because the one problem you have is to how to get well. Di ba? Isa na lang ang problema mo. And this is very true doon sa mga tao na nasa bedridden na sila with their sickness. They tell us na sana hindi ako nagtrabaho ng ganito kagrabe. Uh, I take care of myself, di ba? And we used to do that because we are in pursuit of happiness. Maaring sa'yo, masaya ka. Happiness sa'yo, magkaroon ka ng maraming pera, maraming maraming bahay or anything. But we have one thing in common na nagpapasaya sa atin. And these things is those people that surrounds us, our family, no? Mama mo, papa mo, your kids, spouses mo, your friends and colleagues. These people that surrounds us make us happy. But the same thing, these people can hurt us so much. Kasi pag nagkasakit sila, hindi ka masaya. I don't think so, no? Pag nagkasakit yung mother mo, hindi ka masaya, father mo, your kids, I experienced that a lot during my early days kasi marami akong anak. Hindi ka masaya. And ikaw, pag nagkasakit ka, do you think masaya po yung pamilya? No, I don't think so. So, what I'm saying this is, the solution is very simple, no? And we have the right solution here in Herbalife. So, alam nyo, just enjoy healthy breakfast every day. It impacts po yung health nyo to the roof. So, thank you guys for listening and have a great day. Jane, back to you.
Ayan, thank you po Coach Alvin for that informative topic about the magnesium. Ayan, so madami po tayong natutunan. So, can you type 1